All right, today we're talking about the Ryobi electric pressure washer. This one happens to be a 1700 psi, 1.2 gallon per minute. And I've set it up with a kink-free hose using a quick coupler system. I've also set it up with a 30 semi-kink-free, quick coupled pressure side hose. And then I've got this new Surface Max professional grade gun. And then I've also got my angle tip, which super cool if you're doing boats and RVs especially. I've found this piece is well worth it. I'm using a 15-degree tip. I also have, a 25-degree, another 15, and I think that's a 20 in case I want to switch out my pattern. Right now I'm at a 15. I think I can go to a 25 or even a 20 with those right there. All right, guys, today we are doing a 330 Sea Ray that obviously needs a little bit of help. It's got our Emerald City Northwest green on it. I've already started. So just a little demo using this Ryobi pressure washer.